Hey everyone, we are back at Walt Disney World, and you know it's about to be magical when you drive under this iconic sign. Today we are checking into Disney's All-Star Movies Resort, and we cannot wait to show you around. As we drive up, look at this larger-than-life movie-themed entrance. This resort celebrates Disney's love of film with fun nods to some classic movies. It's a super fun and budget-friendly option, especially for families. The lobby is full of movie memorabilia, so it's really fun to just take some time out and walk around and have a bit of a look. And just around the corner, we've got the world premiere food court, where you can grab breakfast, lunch, or dinner. We love the variety here, especially if we've got picky eaters. The different food stands in the food court are all named after super famous theatres right around the world. There is also a grab and go section in the food court, and this is where they have loads of things that you can basically grab and go. So they have things like bags of chips, cheese and crackers, baked items like croissants, banana bread. You can even get bowls of cereal that you can then add your milk to. You can get all of your drinks, including alcohol, plus milk for your room, and also ready-made salads if you want to take those to the park or take them back to your room.
You know what they say?
No.
When in Rome, do as the Romans do.
When at Disney, drink hot chocolate.
The arcade room at Disney's All-Star Movies Resort, known as Real Fun Arcade, is a great spot for family-friendly entertainment beyond the parks. Located near the lobby, it's packed with a variety of modern video games, classic arcade favourites, and even a few air hockey tables. It's the perfect place for both kids and adults to unwind after a day of Disney fun or to spend some time on a rainy afternoon. Whether you're challenging your family to a high score or just taking a break from the Florida sun, the Real Arcade offers something for everyone. All-Star Movies Resort is made up of 5 themed areas, and we're staying in the Love Bug building. So now let's go check out our room. This is one of the standard rooms on the resort, and it comes with 2 queen beds, a little dining table with 2 chairs, Hey Disney, which is like Alexa or Hey Google. There is plenty of storage space under the beds, TV, safe, extra pillows, drawer space, tiny closet, and an ironing board and iron. The bathroom consists of a shower over the bath and toilet. One of the things that we love about this room is all of the USB ports. As soon as we walked in and saw all of the USB ports, we were incredibly happy with this because we have a lot of devices. The room has a drip coffee maker and fridge, and you receive complimentary coffee bags and tea bags. Now it's time to unfold the second bed. So the second bed folds right up into the wall and transforms into a table. So when you're not sleeping, you've got a nice space to enjoy a meal or just hang out. This room is clean, comfortable, and the perfect size for a family of 4. And with prices starting around $150 to $200 a night, depending on the season, it's one of the most affordable places to stay on Disney property. This resort features 2 themed pools that are perfect for a splash of fun. The main pool, the Fantasia pool, is inspired by Disney's Fantasia and even has a giant Sorcerer Mickey fountain spraying water. For a more laid-back vibe, head over to the Duck Pond pool, designed to look like a giant hockey rink from the Mighty Duck. Both pools offer a great way to cool off and relax after a day in the parks, with plenty of space for the whole family to enjoy.
Laundry time instead of going to Disney World. Have fun.
Let's be real. When you're at Disney with the family, laundry is going to happen. So don't worry, they've got you covered with convenient guest laundry right at the resort. The guest laundry at this resort is super convenient and easy to use, especially with the modern machines that let you pay with a simple scan. Each washing machine and dryer has a QR code. All you need to do is scan the code with your smartphone and it will take you to an online payment system where you can pay for your load directly. No need to worry about finding coins. You can even track the progress of your load using your phone so you know exactly when your clothes are done, letting you enjoy more Disney fun while you wait. After a long day at the parks, nothing beats a good pizza. You can grab one right here at the food court and take it back to your room for a family chill night. Perfect end to the day. And that's a wrap on our All-Star Movies Resort Tour. If you're staying here, you'll have access to complimentary Disney buses that can whisk you away to all the parks and Disney Springs. And it's super convenient. Thank you for joining us, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.